Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to view the IMS Invert Supplies report in Tally Prime. This report gives you a complete picture of invoices uploaded by your suppliers, grouped by filing status, action taken, and reconciliation results. Once you've downloaded invoices using the invoice management system, you can view and manage them from this report. You can switch between default view, reconciliation view, and action view to analyze the data from different angles and take the right actions. In each view, the invoices are grouped under different sections, making it easier to locate and act on them. Press Alt-G. Type or select Invoice Management System and press Enter. By default, the report will show the data from all your GST registrations. If needed, you can view the data only for a particular registration by pressing F3. The report opens in the default IMS view. Note that each view maintains a common top-level grouping by filing status, followed by view-specific sections. Invoices filed by supplier. These are the invoices already filed by your suppliers in their GSTR1. It directly affects your ITC for the current month and should be prioritized for action. Invoices yet to be filed by supplier. These are the invoices uploaded to the GST portal but not yet filed by your suppliers. Sections that need attention are marked in amber across the report, helping you quickly identify items that require an action. To switch between the views, press F7 for reconciliation view and F8 for action view. You can even save your preferred view using the Save View feature. Each view helps you focus on specific aspects of the invoice data with the relevant sections. Let us start with the default IMS view. Invoices here are grouped based on their action and upload status. Action required. These are the downloaded invoices with no action taken yet. Action taken, ready for upload. These are the invoices that you have acted upon but have not uploaded to the GST portal. Action taken, uploaded. These are the invoices that you have acted upon and uploaded. In each section, you can drill down to the voucher register where you can review and set the action status. For example, if you drill down from the action required section, the invoices will be grouped according to the reconciliation status, helping you take actions accordingly. You can filter the default view to see the invoices based on the filing and action status using the basis of values. Press Ctrl+B and select the configuration as required. Now, press F7 to switch to the reconciliation view. This view groups invoices based on how they match your book data. Reconciled. These are the invoices that match completely with your books. Mismatched. These are the invoices that differ partially or completely. Available only on portal. These are the invoices found on the GST portal but missing in your books. In each section, you can drill down to the voucher register where you can review and set the action status. You can filter the reconciliation view to show invoices based on the filing and reconciliation status using the basis of values. Press Ctrl B and select the configuration as required. Next, press F8 to switch to the action view. Here, invoices are grouped by the action you have taken. Action required. These are the invoices on which you have taken no action yet. Accepted. These are the invoices you have marked as accepted. Rejected. These are the invoices you have rejected. Pending. These are the invoices you have marked as pending to act on later. In each section, you can drill down to the voucher register, where you can review and set the action status. You can filter the action view to show invoices based on the filing and action status using the basis of values. Press Ctrl B and select the configuration as required. Each view gives you a different lens to work with your IMS data, helping you stay in control of your GST process. Moreover, you can also view the invoices that exist only in your books, with no matching entries in the portal. To see the invoices that exist only in your books, press Alt-Q. You can press F10 to view the contact details of the supplier, if needed. As you saw, the IMS Invert Supplies report gives you flexible ways to view and analyze the invoices of your suppliers. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.